My ancestors traveled up and down this river literally thousands of years, and they gained all their necessities from life off the land and the river. They had literally millions of fish swing by this island and the other islands every spring to harvest for their sustenance. Over time, there grew this special relationship with the land and the Creator, between the people and Mother Earth and all her creatures. And this connection was so strong that some of our family members took their names from the creatures who lived in and on the river and the land. But the river culture has been one of the greatest challenges for the Penobscot Nation because of the loss of the fishing culture, because of the loss of the sea-run fish due to the building of the dams and the industrial and municipal pollution to the river. And as a child, I grew up here on the reservation on Indian Island and spent most of my youth on the river. This was our playground. Growing up in the 50s, there was no sea-run fish. All the sea-run fish were blocked because of the dams that were below here. But I always dreamed that someday the dams would be removed. But I never thought in my lifetime I would ever see dams being removed from the Penobscot River and a section being free-flowing again, as my ancestors experienced it. The Penobscot River Restoration Project is really a unique collaboration between an Indian tribe, 7 conservation groups, the power company, the federal government, and the state of Maine. And I say this is unique because in the past we've had numerous disputes. The Penobscot River Restoration Trust has brought all these groups together in this unique collaboration, all on the same page, all working for the restoration of the Penobscot River. Their forethought and their planning have created this project that is beneficial to everyone. It's beneficial to the power companies. It's beneficial to the municipalities along this river. It's beneficial to the fish, beneficial to the Penobscot Nation. And this project is literally a dream come true for me. And I can't wait for the day that I see the sea-run fish, which I call the refugees of the Penobscot River, return once again to their ancestral spawning ground and to our home, the Penobscot Nation.